Let's see how G-code works with the CostyCNC program. If we write X100, the machine will move 10 centimeters forward. And if we write X100, the machine will move 10 centimeters backward. This behavior occurs because, by default, the machine operates in G91 incremental mode, where coordinates are relative to the current position. However, if we write G90 at the beginning of the program, the machine switches to absolute mode. In this mode, the coordinates are based on a fixed origin 0 point. For example, if we write X0, the machine will return to the origin 0 position, which could mean moving 10 centimeters backward if it was previously at X100. X100. The machine moves 10 centimeters forward. Y100. The machine moves 10 centimeters down. X0. The machine returns to the origin. Y0. The machine returns to the origin. Now, let's also include Z100, which in our case is a rotating plate. We'll see that it also rotates. We've now observed how we can manually control the machine.